Gentlemen, very tight race. One chef scored an 80. The other chef scored a 83.
Oh, first match is always the best match.
Tim Love, he's an OG like me. We came up at the same time.
I know Rocco's been on the show before. I know he's been a judge.
I'd like to say I have an advantage, but I know better. There's really no advantage to be had here.
Hell yeah, I'm coming out swinging. It's the only way I come.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this. Here we go. Flank steak, rainbow carrots, the use of the food mill, breaded, canned pineapple. Off you go, gentlemen. Tell you folks, it's gonna be a big night.
I love making schnitzel. I know that standard breading is great, but even better is a seasoned breadcrumb. A little pork rind in here. I'm gonna use the rainbow carrots to make a shredded carrot salad and make a spicy pineapple sauce.
Flank steak to me is not as tender as everybody wants to make it. While it looks marbled, it's still a movement muscle, and so muscles that move tend to be more tough and need a little more time. So for me, I think braising the meat into a curry with the carrots, pineapple, and spicy chilies is really the right choice.
Pineapple obviously is gonna be the prevailing flavor here, and pineapple is inherently sweet. So you have to figure out, how do I balance all that sweetness? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna make a spicy sauce, and the food mill is a perfect way to do that. You thought it was gonna blow up, didn't you?
Right along with the curry. I also plan on taking the rainbow carrot tops and making a nice pesto to go on top of that. So I get the tops, I chop it with fresh garlic and mint and basil. All those things come in to provide this bitter component, which is a real balance to how rich the curry is. And then I start grinding it through the food mill.
Peeling individual baby carrots would take the whole 30 minutes if I had to do it. Great way to do that is julienne or grated.
Great job, chef.
That's the Cowboy Texas way right there.
It's a big boy battle here.
Putting that crust on the flank steak was just a real simple breading of flour, egg wash, and straight into the crushed onions and put it into the fryer.
It really is important to give yourself 5 minutes to plate. I put a swoop of the pineapple salsita down, and then I put the schnitzel on the plate. I did what the randomizer asked, and that is a great feeling.
2 minutes.
Flank steak and pineapple curry to the bowl. And then I added some fresh herbs I dressed with olive oil and salt. And then I came back and laid the fried flank steak on the side.
That's it. Let's go! All right, everyone. Our TOC judges have been waiting patiently for their first blind tasting.
Alex will understand the work.
This is a lot of work.
This is a TOC-worthy dish.
Wow.
I like spice. I think the salad should have a little bit to lift us up a little bit.
They're digging in. They're tough. Here we go.
I like the heat of it. I like the balance of acidity and sweetness.
Great flavor combination.
I'll take that from the curry master.
The pineapple chunks could have been cut a little bit smaller.
My favorite thing is that food milled pesto. But is this a breaded style dish? That's my dilemma.
All right, judges, thank you very much. Let's bring back our chefs. Chef Rocco DiSpirito, Chef Tim Love.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, very tight race. One chef scored an 80. The other chef scored a 83. The winner is Rocco DiSpirito. Congratulations, chef.
So much, thank you. Thank you, everybody, thank you so much.
Wow.